Hi, good evening. I'm creating this video for my students. Let's continue with the video. Sometimes when you are working with Revit structural projects, you might be facing this issue. I'm going to show you clearly how to solve this problem. Okay. For example, I have modeled structural concrete column and concrete beam, but I'm seeing a small gap between the column and the beam. You can see here, let's go to view, give tab view. I have modeled the beam, but I'm seeing a small gap between column and beam. I'm going to give the solution. See here, this gap will appear when you are using precast beam family. For example, if I select this beam, you can read here in the properties, it is showing precast concrete beam. Instead, if you are using in-place concrete beam, then you won't see this gap. I'm going to load in-place concrete beam. Let's go to insert, load family. Then you should go for US, then search for structural framing and select concrete. You might select precast concrete by mistake, because when you go inside, you can see the same type of family inside precast concrete. Here you can see it is showing rectangular straight ends. You might select by mistake. So always go for concrete for in situ concrete beam. Here you have to select and load. Now select the beam and change that to rectangular beam. I'm changing it now, and you can see there is no gap. Select the beam, it is precast rectangular beam, and select and change it to concrete rectangular beam. You can change the size, select, go to edit type, and then change them here. So that's all for today. If you see a gap between column and beam, then check your family whether it's in-place concrete or precast concrete. And if you have any doubt like this, or if you are facing any problem in Revit, please contact me on WhatsApp or in LinkedIn chat. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.